Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No howls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, gather the following tools: a Phillips numeral serro screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. First, turn off your Synco controller and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to prevent any accidental inputs during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the back of the controller. There are 4 screws that need to be removed. Using your Phillips numeral serro screwdriver, carefully unscrew each one and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic prying tool to separate the back cover from the front. It at one corner and work your way around the edges. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the cover in place. After the back cover is removed, you will see the internal components of the controller. Take a moment to inspect the area for any dust or debris. If you notice any buildup, use a soft brush or compressed air to clean it out. This will help ensure optimal performance after the repair. Now, locate the joystick module. It is typically secured with a few screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws carefully. If you find it challenging to access the screws, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you if you are unsure about the process. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the joystick module out of its housing. Be careful with the ribbon cable connected to it. You don't want to damage it. If you need assistance, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get help without any hassle. Now, take your new joystick module and align it with the housing. Press it down gently to ensure it fits snugly. Reattach the screws you previously removed to secure the joystick in place. After securing the joystick, it's time to reassemble the controller. Fully place the back cover onto the front, ensuring all clips are aligned. Press down gently until you hear a click, indicating that the cover is securely in place. Finally, replace the 4 screws on the back of the controller. Make sure they are tightened but not overly so, as this could strip the plastic. Once everything is back together, turn on your controller and test the new joystick. If you experience any issues, remember that we offer a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision on how to proceed. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the joystick on your Synco controller. Enjoy your gaming experience with your newly repaired controller. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.